We're here on Wilshire Boulevard on the 30th of September 2018 for CICLAVIA, or CICLAVIA, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. A lot of people are here and it's still pretty early. This goes on until 4 o'clock, it's about 9:30. Got a few of these mandatory walk zones here. Say hello.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Well, we started on Wilshire and then made a right on Western, and now we're on Melrose. Turning on to Vine from Melrose. I believe we're heading to Sunset, and then we turn around. We're at probably the most famous intersection in the world here, Hollywood and Vine. I think there should be one for Unicycling. That's the second biggest aardvark I've ever seen.
She's a little distracted with the camera.
Hi, baby. Hi there. Oh, that beautiful bird.
Yeah, she's gonna step on here, I guess.
Oh, cool. This is ice cream.
She wants you to pet her, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I had one just like this.
Wow.
Hi, ice cream. Hi, baby. Oh, wow.
Hollywood.
This is the perfect hood ornament right here. I'd love to have a bird like this and ride around with her. It's so awesome.
You're so awesome. Woo! It'd be like, that was awesome.
Thank you.